Hello everyone, hello. Mhm. Okay. Good. Last night I managed to take all of the signatures and bring them in here. So let's just hope that everything works completely fine. And we'll also update in our game data the signatures. I want to change this to Z. Perfect. Okay. Now, until it compiles, we should start to make the interfaces. So let's take this, let's put it in here. This one is gonna have just the iPlayer and the hook result. Simulate user commands controller. On simulate user commands delegate. And this and this. Hello. After the simulation of user commands has been finished. Before the simulation of user commands happen. Okay. We basically did this. Processed. Perfect. Let's see. We have over here the reference. Okay, basically what I want to also make is... Hello. Another thing is that, for example, in here, I have the intercepted original result and whatnot. Well, I don't like this. Why I don't like this? Because, for example, someone wants to change the result, but... or actually they don't want to change the result, but they want to simply stop the hook. So we also need to add this in here. Okay. Same goes, and this one has it already, this one already has it. Same goes over here. Yes, please use it. This one has it, and this one also has it. Okay. So, let's see. I can acquire item. Sure. Public hook result. Yet set equals to continue by default. This is not where we handle it. Public hook result yet set equals to continue. And come on. Yeah, of course I need to import it. Perfect. We go in here, inside can acquire. And we have this, we have the intercepted. Which in my opinion is kind of autistic. So let's make if event dot result equals to hook result dot stop, or if result is hook result stop original, cancel original. If it's intercepted, return that. But basically I'm kind of forced either way if it's intercepted or not. I hate it. Like, whatever. And here it should be this, which is completely fine. Okay, and in here I need to make if event dot result equals to hook result dot stop to return, or event result equals to hook result handled, because handled will cancel the hooks but the original function will continue. This, that, perfect. Same will go over here, this and that. Over here we'll make the following. If event dot result equals to hook result stop. Actually, why am I double writing this when I can just copy paste? Let's see. By default over here I just assume that it's like this, and in here it's the same. Yeah, not that bad. Not as bad as I expected. Could be a lot worse. Now we should continue with the implementation of simulate user commands event. or processing the movement. Yeah, it should be completely fine like this. Now controller CS, which is this. And I also need to implement it out. Just copy, paste, okay. I don't need this. Simulate user commands. Command DS, okay. This one. Perfect. Simulate user commands, events. On simulate user commands delegate. We also add this. We need to add in here simulate user commands. Not as bad. Add this. I simulate user commands controller. Simulate user commands. And with this one I'm completely fine. What did I miss? No interface? Yeah. Okay. We finished that. Internal read-only, simulate user commands, events. Seems to be completely fine. And now what do we need to make is hook listener dot simulate user commands. To be honest, this will take a long time. Why? What I did, sorry that I read it this late. It's Z. Before it was Mac only, but now they also made for Windows and Linux. Simulate user commands, and it's an int controller which returns a void. I don't need this. I don't need this. Hook simulate user commands. What? Oh, for Swiftly. Oh yeah. Wait. I have one for CS2 browser and one for Swiftly. And in here I have like... Wait. I don't like this view. Okay. I basically have everything for what the core has in here, and this is what I have for plugins. Don't ask what this is. This is an ongoing-ish project which tries to automatically update the signatures and the offsets. And yeah. Simulate user commands PTR. Controller. Okay. Basically, what do I have? Signatures, JSON. The problem with everything that we do now is that there are kind of a lot of signatures. Lol. We kinda have a lot of signatures to make. And this is gonna be so much fun. It's not gonna be funny. Like, we have from over here until like here. I'll give it, the bot will give it automatically whenever I sync again. Which is basically, wait, let me count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, actually 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And I'm gonna die if I do this manually by hand for every single one of them. So basically what I need to make is to make some examples for some, and then I'm gonna put the freaking AI to make it, because it's too repetitive and the stream wouldn't be as fun. Okay, we did that, we do this, there's no result whatsoever. We also need to make this, and we also need to make here the unregistered listener controller hook dot simulate unregistered listeners for the life cycle. Okay. Well, unlucky for those. Basically it's fine. I think I can. Actually, wait. Not code Z. Game data validator. I can remember what command it was to see if those signatures are fine. Okay. Python main.py signatures plugin files game data CS2 core signatures. Let's see if the signatures are still valid though. It's simply a code editor, because I'm not using VS Code anymore. Why I'm not using VS Code anymore? Because of this. Ignore the LSP and Copilot, which is shitty. Where is the F3Z? 2%. No, I'm on Windows. Like, this is on Linux. Let's see how it is. Fuck those. Oh, walk move isn't good. Nice. Yeah. On Linux, I assume. Yeah. Manage game CSGO bin Linux server. Please. It will kill my CPU, but here I am. I don't need this anymore. I also want to remove something. Yeah, whatever. What can I kill at this point? Yeah, 2 seconds. Sign out from compiler. Bye bye. Go die. Not sure, I don't use it. Also, I don't use Linux because of the shitty games which don't support anti-cheat on Linux. This one is Z. Invoke, simulate, user command spray. Well, yeah. If you go, for example, on, I don't know, some random ass game which doesn't support Linux, hey, you're kinda cooked. Controller simulate, user commands. I mean, sure, you can double load, but still. Okay. I did this. Okay, whatever. Invoke, simulate, user commands, post. I simulate user commands, events. Commands controller. Simulate user commands. Post. Pray. Simulate user commands. Simulate user commands. Now I also need to get this. Copy, paste, please, and this. Done. No. No, the only games I play are like games with easy anti-cheat. And since I have the game on Epic Games and not on Steam, it's kinda bad. Nah, I just strip it. Simulate user commands. Player and result. User command spray. Invoke, simulate, user commands, post. And done. We did the user commands. OpenVSX is like okay. The only problem is that you also need to upload to it. And the majority doesn't because it's too lazy. Simulate user, okay. We did this. Simulate user commands everywhere. Simulate user commands. Seems to be fine. 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 Yeah, the rest is fine. Fit game hooks. Controller, simulate, user commands. Push. It's still analyzing. Walk, move. Function containing pre-walk move. Fair. Now I'm not sure if Windows is still okay, but it will be funny. Okay, anyway. Now what do we need to make is an example for setup move. Let's see how setup move is. It is user cmdc move data void, okay. Okay. Bro, my chat got a debate for Linux. Actually, not a debate, a discussion. Okay, setup move. Interesting. Eye movements, yes. Romania. Actually 5, please. It's not 3. But 5 is even better. I set up on a player. Movement data is set up. And to be honest, go fuck those. User should know what prem post means. Let's see. Now I'm living in Bucharest, so yeah. I mean, as far as I'm aware, you can go to... Wait. No. Wait, maps. I forgot its name. You can go to Oradea. It's like near Hungary, and it's kind of okay. Fuck Sinaia. It's fine, but it's not as good. Like, if you want to look at the castles and other stuff, yeah, sure, go to Sinaia, whatever. But if you want to look at the architecture, it depends where you go in the country. For example, also Brasov is okay. Bucharest is like okay only in some zones. Also, yeah, there's a framework written with Golang support, but it's too complicated for normal users. No, Sibiu, no, Sibiu, no. Don't you ever go there. No. Danut's going back to sleep. Why? Because it's full of autistic people. Like, for example, Danut's. Not even Mediash. Also, the fact that you want to look, or actually that you suggest people to look at other girls while they're with their girlfriend is kinda bad. Like, man, chill out. People don't want to do that. Player. I want to give out a defense if you have, let's say, if you have enough brain to think. And I say that with my whole heart. No, with electronics and blue, while blue is basically a how can I say it? Not the PR guy, no. He's basically the what name can I give him? It's basically no, the Bucharest is like okay, depending on the zone where you go and if you have money. No, I just read the chat a lot slow and I don't really look at it that much. Where the fuck do I use Simove data? Even. Hold up. Fuck you. Okay, print padding. I have this here, this here. What? I don't even use it in a real place. I guess I made a user CMD, I move data, yes. Bro, nah. That is a forbidden subject. Thank you very much. That's a very forbidden subject. I move data. How can I even name it? Because it's not... I mean, it is called move data. I already have the struct, which I think is already used by plugins, and I can't remove it anymore. And I need to simply... fuck it. Int address, whatever. C move int. This one is gonna be public C move data star typed address get. This one I should also offer a way to construct. Public static emove data from int address new wait bruh. Okay, whatever. C move data new palace, yes. Okay, basically it's completely fine like this, I assume. I'm just gonna copy paste. I'm just gonna also C move data implementation, emove data, also implement the edisposable, implement this. It's gonna have a get init equals to 0. This one is gonna be cmove data of address blah 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 public actually private bool dispose equals false. This one is an internal class. This one should also be internal. I hope this one is internal too. It is internal sealed. This one is internal sealed. Perfect. If this true, return true. And I don't know what I'm gonna do in dispose, but sure. Actually public void throw if disposed. If disposed, throw disposed object disposed exception new. What's the argument? Please, hello. I just made the degree, so I have it. 2 seconds. I think you've seen it on GitHub. Basically, the specialization is engineering telecommunications. on softer side. Meh. It's mid. Here do I throw if it's disposed? Actually, just give me this. And for this one, give me simul data. Actually, I move data. It's unused. Fine, be unused. I don't give a fuck. I move data. The problem is with this, but I don't actually. Do I care? I don't care enough to make this throw if it's disposed. So yet throw if invalid, return this. Well, no shit. That's basically some subject of mine which is pretty autistic. Because the teacher is autistic. But who am I to judge? Oh, fair. Hashtag rip in chat. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Let's handle this one. Okay. This one's completely fine. Now what I need to make is the simul data implementation. Give me this. Okay. Because all of the names are the same for the current ones, throw if invalid, return this. Actually, raw, no, typed address, that. And for this one, base. And this one needs to be in an unsafe context. Unsafe. I need to take this, move it in here, unsafe, import this, and done with those. Now I also have those, which I forgot about, and are gonna be the last thing from base. I'm in high school, as far as I'm aware. I also took the test for I don't know, it's called informatics something. I also took them on like a paper, but most of the 4 years in high school I never did anything because I was too advanced for that class, and most of the time I did absolutely nothing. I slept. I moved data. Yes. So yeah. This one doesn't need to have martial shit. I don't need padding. This. Okay. I mean, I hate everything, so you can't beat me at that. It's, in general, I don't think it's about overachieving, it's just that the subjects themselves are outdated by a lot. You can go with that info at a therapist. I'm not the therapist. To see it in the chat. Thanks. Return type address dot actually hash this. No. This one should be completely fine, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and I should also have dispose in case it's ever called. Wish me for your sins. Okay. Now it should be completely fine. Anyway, let's continue. I have the cmove data, which is basically an imove data, and I can continue working on this imove data, move data, and get summary, the movement data. Okay. And now because I have the what an voice crack. Fuck's sake. See ya. Okay. I start movement pre-post. Okay. Now let's go to movements. Yes. Movements. Yes. Oh, for fuck's sake. Controllers. Yes. How did I call it here? Game hook movement. Wow. Game hook controller. Hope you're happy now. Fuck's sake. What did I do? I did setup move. Okay. So we're gonna continue with setup move. Yes. I'm just gonna copy, I'm just gonna paste. Setup move, movement, data. I setup move, movement. Public required, I move data, get init. Setup move, movement events. I setup move, movement events. On setup delegate. This. Let me also get this and this. Setup move. Setup move. I just talk randomly. So yeah. Service. Movement, hook, dot setup. I didn't do it, okay. Internal read only, setup move. Okay. I'm just gonna make 3 or 4, I assume, and the rest are gonna be made by Beautiful. Because I'm too lazy and the stream will become so repetitive if I'm gonna make it by hand. Maybe this one should be somehow minified. Invoke setup move pre. I setup move movement. Post again. Until now I'm very surprised that I didn't receive copyright notification from YouTube, which is pretty unusual for 53 minutes. But yeah. My save. Setup move. Let's see, setup move. Has void, has nint movement services, nint user command, nint move data. It opened? Yeah, it's completely fine. So Shift F12. Pre-walk move. This function signature changed. Signatures recency. Pre-walk move. And yeah, it definitely changed. Something got added. Save without format. Okay, perfect. Because of music? Yeah, that's why on chat over here it was something. with rip, like here. Wait, yeah, rip, bruh, copyright, blah blah blah. User CMD, move data. CS player movement, services, setup, move. Now I can close IDA, happy. Wait, signatures. Recency. Setup, move. Setup, move, PTR. Okay. I'm also gonna use this and just copy paste in here. Okay, and now I set up movement, same over here, and done. Good, perfect, actually. In here it needs to be... Wait, setup move has return value? No, it has void. Okay. Dummy pound component. Okay, this one is gonna be interesting. Actually, it's not gonna be interesting, it's gonna be completely fine. If the game doesn't do parallel code, I'm completely fine. But I need to assume it will do. And I'll fix this later. I set up move. Okay, basically what I'm talking about. This, as far as I'm aware, is not gonna work completely fine if it's gonna be in parallel. Like if two of those hooks are gonna be called at the same time, in the same moment, it's gonna get nuked. But I'll just assume it will not. Until later. Well, actually finish this. User command equals to... How do I initialize this? How do I initialize this? Ah, we knew. Of course we knew. Fuck's sake. I had to also make a from public. Wait, I had to make it in here. Public static I user cmd from need address new c user cmd come on please. Import it, address equals to address. Okay, should be completely fine. And yeah, it is good. You see user cmd address equals to user cmd. I also need to make move data equals to new move data implementation address equals to move data. Okay. Invoke setup move pre. Invoke setup move post. And basically we finished with setup move as far as I'm aware. No. We have in here everywhere setup move. Should be completely fine. Add this function. Wait, I don't care about that. Hook listener, the setup move. Hook setup move. Unhook setup. And it's completely fine. Good. Let's see if it compiles. If it compiles, I'm gonna push it and I'm gonna have a PR as a... Actually not a PR, commit as a reference. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Saying fuck you. Okay, good. And now I just want a function which has cmove data as an argument. And this one has it. Fuck yes. Fuck yeah. Perfect. Because if I make this, then I can give AI just the delegate signatures and it will make it by itself. Because I don't want to make for 20-ish signatures the structures manually. I'm not... how can I say it? I'm not a masochist. I hope. I don't know. Can't remember. It always depends. Please stage all. Fit game hook slash control movement setup move. Inside acknowledgements I have 60kz. Yeah, I do. Perfect. Okay. Absolute cinema. Depends. Actually, for that one, it depends on what do you consider as a masochist. Now I want to make check parameters. Signatures, JSON-C. Or what is it? I set a move, process movement. Okay, process movement it is. I process movement. Setup move. Process movement. 。 Okay. For me it seems completely fine. And the player is being processed or whatever. Okay, I have that. I want to get game hook publisher. Find the publisher in here. I need to add a new record, which is what? Process movement. Bro, a new drama rise on CS Sharp. Hold up. We need to read it. Hold up. Okay, so let's read the drama. Go. I'm not gonna comment on this. Why do I assume this is written by AI? Wait, let me zoom in. This to me seems written by AI. Literally. Okay, what the fuck did I just read? And I thought this was a good drama, for fuck's sake. I got my time wasted. I want my time back. Yeah, I know. I'm just not even looking. I just have it in the server list because of the drama. That's the only reason it still exists in there. Did I forget the life cycle? Hold up. In here I forgot. Dot process movement. My editor froze. Yay! Fuck you. It's kind of unstable on Windows, to be honest, but it's better than nothing. And this should be a clean one. Process movement. Yeah. Yeah, this is a clean one. Hold up, hold up. This one should be fine, right? iPlayer, I move data result. What? So, require member, user command must be set. Okay, that's why it wasn't working. Perfect. Now, yeah, should be completely fine. And it's a clean one. Okay, perfect. Let's see what it can make. Can player move, check parameters, can move. Fuck. Ah, I hate it. Fine, this one also going to movement. Even though it comes from pawn itself. Actually, I'm just gonna put it to pawn. So, for check falling, it has void of need movement services, need move data. For categorize position, it's void bite, stay on ground. For try player move, void need move data, vector need to vector I hate it. Okay, this one is kind of ugly. See game trace, yes, is this one. I don't think it has a wrapper. And I'm not from Stacy. Trace result. Okay. See game trace. First trace bull. Actually, bite is surfing. You need to give to the player, to the interface, trace result for the first trace, and bull is surfing, and bull for the and ref bull. Actually, no. Base surfing. This one. This one. What I'm doing now is surfing CS2KZ to see how it's used into KZ. Keep in mind that the value of the byte can be changed by the user. The byte needs to be given as bool to the interface and the developer. Walk move is this one. friction. Same. Air accelerate. The vector you can give as a ref vector or something else. Keep in mind that it can be changed by the developer. Okay, so for air accelerate, it has the following: vector star wish direction, float wish speed, float acceleration. Keep in mind that the wish speed and the acceleration can be changed by the developer. Same for wish direction. Air move. Air move has just this. On jump modern has this. On jump legacy. Never mind. This is CCS player modern jump. Let's see, what does it inherit? Or is it even inheriting something? Absolutely nothing. Oh shit. Of course. Oh, okay, hold up. C player pound component. C player pound component. Oh. Modern jump. CCS player modern jump. Need move data. Modern jump. On jump modern. Okay. The need movement services is available at +8 because it's a pointer immediately after the vtable. Example, struct CCS player movement, CCS player modern jump Void star solvitable, void star movement services. On jump legacy, same. TCS player, legacy, jump. Check jump button modern. Same goes over here. And for legacy, same goes over here. Ladder move. Movement services. Oh, okay. Now we change the delegate type. Have bite. Can undock. Duck. This one is void. Check velocity. What? I don't know what the fuck is this. Named unknown. Do not put the unknown into the interface. Let's continue. Water move has this. Check water. It's bite. Move in it. Same goes over here. Full walk move. Bite ground. Can move. Pound. And that's it. Bite. Check parameters. Player move. Okay. We got everything that we want to make. With the knowledge of the rest of the game hooks available in movement category and the pound available with the interfaces and the events including its life cycle, please implement the following game hooks in the categories mentioned in each line. Each line has the following format: signature name, category game hook, delegate signature, comments. Please keep the code as clear as possible and have the same format as it had now. Wait. Is it actually... Ah, yeah, it is. Well, I wanted to plan. And go ahead. Now we're gonna stay. I'm too lazy to write 29. Actually, wait. Let me count. 30, 21, 22 hooks. Who the fuck will write 29 hooks manually? And most of them being repetitive. Yeah. Fortunately for some, I am a masochist only in certain situations. La 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 la. Basically, I need to kinda talk so that YouTube is not gonna streak the stream. Because apparently if you talk while the music sings, the copyright automatic detection can't make the difference between the voice and the actual music. So I guess it's a good thing at the end of the day that it happens. Oh, already 12k tokens. Hashtag RIP. I'm aware that 12k isn't a lot, but yeah. Actually, let me change the song because what the fuck? Why is it so sad though? Okay. I also won a Clash Royale game at this moment, so I am happy. Okay. Come on, it's still wow. After 5 minutes it had enough context, for fuck's sake. But at least it's making a plan. Well, well, well. I'll see in a second what it made, because now I'm in a Clash Royale game. Because it was taking so long. Add 21 new event properties in e-game hook movement. Sure. Okay. Add. It can move. Sure. I guess instantiate 21 new. Add that one. Hook listeners, cases, invokes, okay, register, sure, I guess, it should work. Auto accept, YOLO, we'll see what it makes.
Right through her. I've tasted all her lies. I'm a vampire by rumor, empty as fuck inside. Quick, take a look in a pic.
Okay, come on, blah blah blah. Okay. Oh god. Now YouTube started to find my stream and start to give copyright notices. Yay. Actually not notices, warnings. I kinda hate it, but let's see what this one makes. I was hoping I could see what it makes. No, your mom does. I didn't ask. And of course it's unfunny because now I'm playing Clash Royale while Claude makes me the repetitive 22 new hooks manually. Because hey, I don't want to make a fucking stream of copy pasting. Yeah. It's always my fault. This life is so unfair. Wait, turn off the music because I need to change it to something else. Okay. For fuck's sake, even for this it has it. I can't even listen to any music because it always gives out notices. For fuck's sake. Yeah, to be fair, I need to put NCS because otherwise my stream is gonna get fucked. Ah. It's not my fault. I don't want to play this music. I don't want to fucking play this music. But I'm forced to. Oh, fuck you. Okay. At least it works fine, I assume. Come on, Claude, I know you can make it. I'm too lazy to copy paste over and over and over and over and over and over again. The same little shit code. Okay. Hey, at least it almost finished. Let's see how it did the tri-player move. Tri-player moves, yes. Tri-player move. Shut up. Shut up, it did it. Nice. Pretty freaking nice. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it. But if it works, it works. Let's see how it actually did the modern jump. On jump modern. You know what? You know what? Sure. Sure. To be honest, he did it pretty good. I wasn't expecting it. And now it's compacting, of course. Fucking hell. Again, how's everyone again? Because I'm just waiting for this autistic AI to continue working. Oh shoot. For me it's already like 8:30 p.m. which is pretty okay, and the temperature is like Bucharest temperature. It's like 21 degrees, which is fine. I guess I can turn on my air conditioner, sure. But I think it will hear pretty bad on the stream, let's see. Yeah, you definitely heard it. To be honest, yeah, you kinda hear it. Yeah, I don't necessarily need it, to be honest. Yeah, I know. Oh god. It makes the hooks. This is gonna be so much fun. Unregistered listeners. Add 44 invoke methods. In general, I don't trust maintenance guys to clean it because, hey, they can also be some random dudes which are actually not maintenance guys cleaners, like for the AC, and they just bust it intentionally to buy their services to repair it. Or to, if not buying their services, that they're gonna recommend some friend which actually is, yeah, that they're gonna recommend some random friend which knows how to repair, and they're gonna split the whole money thing. And I mean, for my condo, I can clean it myself because my external unit is actually on the balcony, not outside of the balcony. It's actually on it, and I can easily take it off and throw a hose at it. Plus the coolant is pretty cheap for the rip. Let's see. .NET build. If it's gonna work, it's gonna work. We'll find out.
Jack it up.
You know what? I'm happy. With the whole prompt I gave it, I'm happy of the results. Yeah. We'll stay on ground. Hey, and yeah, it's gonna be so much easier to have it directly in core.
Jack it up.
Sure, it's an effort on my side, but at the same time, yeah. It's not that much depth. La la la. You know what? I guess it works. Okay. I assume everything will work. CD managed, clear.net build. Xmake. I don't want to use 65 cores, what? Okay. $889. And just copy paste. And now this one is completely useless. Okay, so test plugins, yes. What do you want test out first? For game hooks pawn can move pre ref event return event dot set result. Okay, so basically what I want to make set result of false and event dot what dot result equals hook result dot stop, because basically with this will make the pawn not be able to move by hook. So let's fuck around and find out. Not this one. This one. Windy bug, counter. Okay. Let me start the server. And the server starts completely fine. Okay. That's good to see. A lot of signatures and offsets, but it's cool. And now no one watches the stream. Yay! What the fuck, Valve? Just start my game for fuck's sake. Yeah, don't care, play anyway. Nothing much, just finishing what I started. Client is out of date. Hi everyone. I'm about to go and give someone a feast. Steam apps, common, copy paste. Of course, it calculates it. What do you mean it takes more than a day? This shit is gonna be so much fun. Anyway. Come on, Windows, just copy it already. And I don't want to use TerraCopy because I don't want to have external stuff on my PC. Other stuff, then it's mandatory to have. Yay, game CSGO, game for GI. No. I want you to be open with Z. Thanks. Add-on SwiftlyS2. Perfect. Win debug, restart and go. This one go out. Now the server started completely fine. Let's see if I can move. I can't. Look. It freaking works. Like, what do you see here? Like this leg movement is because of client prediction. But on server side, my coordinates aren't changing. Client tries to predict the fact that I'm moving to the right and makes out the animation. In this case, it's to stop the movement of anyone, but this can be made very much more simple with, for example, player.pound.move move type. You set the move type to move type invalid. Yeah, but you can also set the move type to be invalid, and and you have the same thing as the hook itself. Like sure, in here you can make more advanced logic. Like for example, you can make the player to not move only if some variable changes or not. But I don't really care how people are gonna use it. Both of those are exactly the same thing. So the only difference is that, wait. The only thing is that in this one you can change it at the runtime, and on this one you can change it too, but this one is called only when the move button is pressed. Not can move. Okay. Okay, good. Also, everything that I made is not just to stop the player, it's also to make like whole KZ mode. Doesn't really matter. I use invalid in admin plugin and in menus and it works completely fine. Like wait, menu APIs, yes. Freeze player. Set freeze state, and actually I use none, which is still good. I don't. Why would I try if I already have something which works? Makes no sense. Okay. What else should I try? Hold up. To be honest, I don't even know what to try. I guess core.gamehooks.movement. Maybe like this I can make something? Not sure. Yeah, it's NCS. Also, my music doesn't even sound like this. It's not that bad, thank you. Oh, data dot, I don't know, speed? Max speed. How the fuck can I set the speed of the player? Let me think. I don't plan to change it. Yeah, I know. The only thing I want is to make it so that I can also change the stuff in here. So let me add the setter. Or at least those which deserve to have a setter and need. Because for example, player handle doesn't need a setter because you can change the value internally. Mostly everything beside the util vector, which is mutable. The whole struct itself is mutable. The C handle and that's it. Anyway, C move data implementation. Fuck you, Z. Okay, in here I want to do a paste equals to value and set. Yeah. It's not that bad to make it, to be honest. Get equals to value and over here set. Okay, perfect. No, the C handle doesn't need it because I can do in here event.move data.player handle value equals to handle.value equals to some pawn I want, for example. The C handle has in it a variable which updates everything. Wait, let me stop the server. Okay. Also in here. And let's see if it's enough. Come on, go. What? Yeah. And it started, yay. Let's see what will happen. I guess it's different. No. Like I changed the max speed, sure. But it's not enough. I think I also need to do it in accelerate. To be honest, I'm not sure, but we'll test. Because it's my first time fucking around with movement stuff. Chip, what the fuck? Anyway, yeah, I just witnessed some. No, I don't even want to say. It's too cringe. Where the fuck do I need to put my code to have infinite speed? Can't. Which function though? Set a move, process movement, check falling, try player move, walk move, friction, air accelerate, air move. Where the fuck? To be honest, I'm not even sure. Do I need to change just in air accelerate? I don't fucking know. Let's test out, I guess. I genuinely don't freaking know. Oh, wait. It's not the same as before, though. It's not the same as before. How they? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out how to make player speed. Oh, fair, thanks. Ah, fuck you. As we cheats one. I guess. I don't like it. Only 250. Then what if I do this and I move this to post? I don't know. Or wait. Oh, wait. There are to accelerate. No. Walk. What? Air accelerate, I guess. Wait. Air move. First, let's try with post here, and if not, I'll just move to air move. Because it's my first freaking time working with movement. Shit. Okay. To 86. And that's it. To 90 max. Air move. Pre. CS2 KZ has something. Set speed. It doesn't, okay. So enable SV auto bunny hopping. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna say if it was that, I'm just gonna go and cry. Yeah, it wasn't. The thing is that I was thinking that the patch is not required. Stay. Wait a second. Converse takes the speed. Unlock speed. Speed. Wait, let me move this here. I don't want to do it. Maybe I was thinking that... fuck. Maybe I was thinking that it was working fine without it. But, you know what, sure. Forum. Unlocker. It's not updated. Yeah, I'll just update it myself. Patches. Says to fixes. Source to Z. Where is it? Movement unlock. Update patches. Okay, so the patches are patch signature. I want only Windows and what? This one is B0 and I'm B0. Actually, yeah, this one is good. Movement unlocker, yeah, this one is good. And signature. B0AF. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. What the fuck? Okay. I am not gonna ask how it actually has the good signatures, but yeah. No, it's fine, I'm not installing meta mode. No thanks. As a plugins. Load. Colon, movement, unlocker. List. Please tell me that at least it's smart to enable the patch automatic red load. Please. Yeah, it does. Nice. No, something is still blocking it. Though I'm not sure what. At first I'm not sure why I'm b-hopping in the first place. Oh wait, 321. Hold up. Yeah, it works. Ah, no, it's fine. I don't need it myself. I just want something for speed, for fuck's sake. Move. Player move, process movement, what? Accelerate, I don't know, air move, how? I don't fucking know. In pre, air accelerate again. We go again, air accelerate in pre. We try absolutely everything. Wait, what? No, back. Okay. And now it crashed. Nice. And go. Not surprised. I don't like hot reload. SV cheats one, but after I load up. SV cheats one, MP. Warm up time 99999. Okay. Yeah, no, it's still 250 capped. Even with the plug-in. So no, there's something else about this. Where it needs to be put. Maybe the velocity needs? Because, okay, we change the speed, but we also want to update the velocity. If it was this, I'm gonna go and rage quit. Please don't crash, and it didn't crash. Of course it wasn't this. Why would it be this? Actually, wait, is it even called? Also, dot right line, air accelerate, recall, and walk move. If those weren't called, you heard absolutely fucking nothing. You absolutely heard nothing. Fuck's sake, I need hook movement. Where the fuck are you? Walk move. Prep, pose, walk, move. And that's why, kids, we test code.
let's start a parade. Get the coconut drum kit for Daisy to play. Hot dog, I'm taking it off. We're taking off, we're dancing now. Hot dog, leapfrog, and holy cow. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
This one doesn't work. Because the player is null. Okay, let's get back to NCS. Or at least to this. Oh fucking god, I'm getting copyright notices for fucking Mickey Mouse. Do you wanna hear the funny stuff? This one should be true, not false. It uses dummy controller. Are you fucking idiot? Stupid AI. Bro, I'm using NCS now and I got copyright notice. Huh? So basically we tested for like 20 minutes for absolutely nothing. You know what? I deserve it. If I put AI to make code, I deserve it. Completely. But at least it's a minor issue compared to the time lost if I would have written this by hand. Dummy pound. Yeah. Now it should be completely fine. Also, please, remove this and let's see what happens. Okay. Also, how bad did it was on stream when I was hitting my keyboard? Pe partea. Ok. Yeah, it was my keyboard. Like, for example, this is the keyboard. This is the desk. The desk is sounds fuller than the keyboard. So yeah. No, fair. For me, it doesn't sound the same. Well, at least the microphone just picks up the vibrations of the desk itself. SV cheats 1, MP warm up time 99999. Already at 250. No, I'm too lazy to make a server CFG. Okay. We basically did this. Accelerate, pre, velocity, 2000 units. Let's see. This time I'm sure it's cold. I hope. I hope that I'm sure it's cold. I think I'm sure it's cold. I'm too scared to jump. I'm fucking scared to jump now. What? Wait. Wait a second. Oh. Wait, it works. It works. That's already so much better. Math dot actually random dot shared dot next double times 100. Let's see. How bad can it be? Actually, this needs to be float. Float. How bad can it be though? Oh, this bad. Okay. Then I guess I can also just multiply this by 5. And have faster walk speed. I assume. Wait. No. This one stay here. Stay here, good boy. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh. I mean... It's not wrong though. Only that it moves me to the other side of the map. To be honest, it's not wrong. What is happening? I'm playing with movement. I love it. I freaking love it. Yeah, no shit, it should be illegal. The fact that we managed to make this and it works completely fine, to me it's a win. To me it's a freaking win. But to be honest, how can I... Like, okay, I change the maximum speed, sure. But I wonder... How can I change the walk speed? Like the acceleration itself. Because now it just poofs it into the sky. Speed. No, walk. Walk. Acceleration. We have only air. So, hello. We are gonna make reverse engineering. Acceleration. Where the fuck is the string? What? Are you drunk? Yeah, you are. Idiot. Let's see if CS2KZ has something. But I assume it only has air stuff, since it uses only that. ACC, inaccuracy. Oh, oh, hello there. Wait. Okay. And what the fuck is this? X call invalid frame in here, and this one is called from here. Pre-walk move. Okay, so wait a second. Let me check. So pre-walk move in the function containing the function containing. Okay. So I assume this. I don't know, is there something else with acceleration? Ah, Swift accelerate. Hold up. Converts TSX. PXT. 2 seconds as we accelerate. Wait, if I do... Fuck you. Let me remove the hook. Or actually just leave this. Oh, I also get warnings because of that. Oopsie. Paste, please. Okay, reload the plugin. So, have to 40. If I change SV accelerate to, let's say, 10. It accelerates me faster though. To 20. Yeah, it's much faster. It gets much faster at 240. So I assume it's something related to this. Now let's see where it's used. Pre-walk move. There's also this function which has 2 arguments. There's also this and there's also this. But what I want is, for example, the function wait, let me type it. 1809 jump to function. This one. I want to UPS5. No clip accelerate. And nothing useful here. So it's either as we accelerate, or let's see if water accelerate give us something. It's used absolutely nowhere. Okay, I guess. So I guess we need to find something for as we accelerate. Where it's used. Let's see. 180A36A is 0. Function. Please undefined, define. Full toss move pre-gravity. Move push. What the fuck? And I also don't know what's with this function I had in here. Or what's this one? Come on, where does the function even start in here? Over here. Define, F5. Man, this function has absolutely nothing useful in it, I think. Yeah. Do I still have it? 2 seconds. Okay, 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 okay. By looking to CS2 now. Actually, not CS2, CSGO. So if I have, as we accelerate, have water move. Categorize position. So this is full walk move. We want walk move. So it goes into accelerate. And this accelerate function which direction, which speed acceleration. Wait, let me go into walk move. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay. Because I'm trying to... Like, Blue, are you still here? If so, look. I make this completely fine. It works, I don't have anything against it. The only thing that I have against it is that I want to somehow control the acceleration dynamically. Because, okay, in air I can control it, sure. Because I have the air accelerate. But I don't have a ground accelerate. Because it wasn't existent in CS2KZ. So, we are reversing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. In here, what do I get? I get only 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the initial. So I guess to be honest, I don't know what's this. I think this is normalization. Hold up. No, it's not. But from the position and the arguments it has, I'll just assume that this is the accelerate function. Or wait, what's this offset? I don't know, hold up. This is the accelerate. A1 plus 56. And this is basically... Oh. Okay, so... my assumption is that this is can accelerate. And if you can accelerate, it goes to this function, and this one is actually the acceleration. And it has this string. To be honest, not a bad find. and accelerate. Ground accelerate. Please space. Find by string. Did I copy the string? I didn't. Such a shame from me. Let me close this up. Okay. To be honest, I think it's pretty fine. And I'm not sure what the arguments are. Because... Let me open again. What did I find? Accelerate. So the old code was something like this. It was this basically movement services, of course. Where is this used? In here. This one has second argument A2. A2 is user CMD. Actually, not user CMD. It's move data. In here, the third argument, it's which direction. But in here we have acceleration speed, which is V12, and V12 is generated from A3. So I just assume it's just... I don't know. I don't even know what to assume it is. Hello! I'm almost finishing with everything. I just need to reverse this function, which is basically ground acceleration. Goal speed V21. V21 is V19, and V19 is made... Oh, max. And over here the maximum is used between 250 and wish speed. So A5 is wish speed. I just assume that it's like that. A4, where is it used? What the fuck, it takes V7. The references, oh. This is some sort of vector. A4. A2, A3, A4. V15. V15 is V13, which is V105. This is normalized, so yeah, it's a vector. So this is which direction. And this is on how it looks. Wait. I think it's the acceleration itself. Yeah, because it checks in here. With acceleration, it kind... Yeah. This is acceleration. And in here... there's also this A3. Which I'm not sure where it's used. Like... it makes something with A3, that's definitely. Let's see how it's A3. Oh, it's an offset. 13. Okay, where is this written? A2. Unknown. V2. And what's this? 12. Source to server 12. IV A face hash. I source to server 12, 10, 11. It said global vars. And in global vars at 12, it's 4:8 frame time. So it basically reversed it. Frame time. Okay. Based. We did a whole function reversal on stream, which is nice. Now copy, yes. Now I need to also open either for Linux binary and we are done. Yeah. Please also make it for this one. Movement gain hook, delegate void, and I closed it. Nice. We have the following delegate: Nint movement services, Nint move data, 2 seconds because I need to open IDA for the Windows binary. Okay. Oh, but also the arguments for the function are different. Because over here, the third argument is actually the wish speed. Fuck you, Valve. Valve. Literally, fuck you. I hate you. Because I was thinking, why the fuck was this over here when it was over here? Like, yeah, look. We have the movement services, we have the move data, and then the which direction is directly over here. And then the frame time is moved at A4. But whatever. Float frame time, need to wish direction, float wish speed, float acceleration, Windows delegate, Linux delegate, it's gonna be a void, need movement services, need move data. But now I wonder, wait a second. Is this passed like this though? Wow. Like over here. Is actually... Yeah. Wow. I hate you, Valve. Need... Actually, wait. Void star, actually vector star. Vector star wish direction, float wish actually frame time, float wish speed, float acceleration. Please make the wish speed, wish direction and acceleration to be able to be modified by the developer. Okay, basically why, if you're asking why I'm using Claude to make this, I also used it to make all of those other hooks, which to be honest was a big time saver. It was a big time saver because I'm not writing 20 hooks by hand, where most of the time I need to do copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Did I take the signature though? Yeah, I did. Okay. To be honest, paste. At least this was also an educative stream to reverse engineer a function. And I mean, this was actually a happy case to reverse engineer it, because it could have been a lot worse. For example, it could have been worse because the function may not have existed in CSGO, a leaked source code. And yeah, that's actually a pretty bad thing if it happens. Okay. I mean, to be honest, it should be completely fine. Now, ground accelerate. I don't know, in post maybe? Actually, let's first try and pray. Change this. We need to change this. But wait. Yes. Also paste. And let's hope that everything is fine. And see how these actions. Okay, 240. And what if I put it on post? No. Event dot acceleration to be 69. And this one to be actually in pre. And event move data dot not acceleration, no. I want the max. Are you an idiot? This ID is an idiot. And it crashed. Yay! Let me actually close Ida because I don't need it anymore. Go. Wait. I see it faster. Okay. So basically, core.game hooks.movement.walk player. Actually, player move. Let me put the max speed here at 2000. And I restarted the server like an idiot. Hey! To be honest, we made it. Now basically when you move on ground, it gives you the acceleration. And the acceleration now is dynamic. Which in my opinion is pretty good. Like, we managed to make it. Pretty damn nice. How the fuck did we just manage to get up there? I don't know. But I'm happy. My character's flying. It basically... Even with shift it flies. Like now I have shift pressed. If I have crouch... Bro, this is so funny. Wait, I need to screen it. This shit is so fun. Folder. Yeah, I'm gonna share it. To be honest, we did a lot on this stream. Feed game hooks, all of the movement hooks. Git push. This was a... I mean, you can take the code from the branch and... Actually, not the code. GitHub action itself and fuck around with it. Also, it's not gonna be released in this stable release anyway. Okay. This one I don't need it anymore. But what I'm gonna do is, let's see, from master to, actually from beta to master. Contracts priority, fixing call stack. To be honest, yeah. It deserves an update. It deserves a stable release. Let me also close this. And close Z, because I'm not gonna write code today anymore. Release v135. Updated dependency resolver to have priority over contracts, over resources slash exports contracts. Fixed infinite call stack on SwiftlyS2 tracer. Fixed schema update null checking. Fixed key values yet set functions for string. Added hook result dot cancel original. Get string and set string. Updated pro to buffs to latest. Added console logger. Fixed bot nav ignore signatures. Added chandle dot from packed int and chandle to packed int. Added performance optimizations to chandle methods. Code base cleanup. Fixed permissions so that it also clears the permissions given by what? By the permissions file. I don't think I missed something. Yeah, it's fine. Let me check the code though. Yeah, this one's fine. Code base cleanup, proto buffs a lot. Proto buffs. You know what? Yeah, I just clean up. YOLO. 135, 135. Okay, basically I'm gonna merge this branch later. Well, thank you guys for watching the stream. It was a good one and a pretty educative one since we also reversed the function from scratch. I hope you guys liked whatever we did here. And the fact that we also finished with the more movement hooks, which was on standby for like 2 months and 15 days, 2.5 months. And also this one is gonna be interesting, yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching the stream, and we'll see each other on another one. Bye bye.